Welcome to our channel. A home equity line of credit from Truist provides flexible access to your home's equity for renovations, debt consolidation, or major expenses. Step 1. Determine how much equity you have in your home. Lenders typically allow you to borrow up to 85% of your home's value minus your mortgage balance. Step 2. Check your credit score. HELOC approval typically requires a score of 620 or higher, with better rates for scores above 700. Step 3. Visit Truist.com and navigate to Home Loans, then Home Equity Line of Credit. Step 4. Click Apply Now to start your online HELOC application. Step 5. Provide personal information including your name, social security number, date of birth, and contact details. Step 6. Enter employment information including your employer's name, job title, annual income, and length of employment. Step 7. Provide details about your property, including the estimated current value, original purchase price, and remaining mortgage balance. Step 8. Specify the credit line amount you're requesting based on your equity and borrowing needs. Step 9. Submit documentation including recent pay stubs, W-2 forms, tax returns, and current mortgage statements. Step 10. Truist will order an appraisal of your home to determine its current market value. If approved, you'll receive your HELOC terms including the credit limit, interest rate, and draw period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.